Hey, welcome to my watercolor class, and let's talk about supplies that you will need in this course. Just very quick. Soft pencil for sketching. I use HB. You can choose any soft type of pencil that you prefer, like B or 2B. Brush size number 1, meaning it's very small and great for working on details. Round brush size 8. It will help you with washing. I also got a very special one, also for washes made of extra fine Tiberian goat hair. Alright, so there's a water cup. I have here a tiny travel water cup made specially for artists on the go. Some tissues to pick up the paint, and of course a watercolor set. I prefer watercolor in pans as the pigment is more concentrated and there's no waste. And today I use Winsor & Newton, the professional watercolor. And now the main hero of today's class, delicious macaron. I just brought in this bakery. So here we have a peach color, yellow, and dark purple. I guess it's like a blueberry color kind of thing. Well, anyway, we're all set and ready to get started.